Please join the line. How many types of triangle? Please join the. Dear friends, we will discuss about the triangle. Okay, students, just please wait few minutes. Okay, can you hear me properly now? Now, can you hear me properly? Students, please give response. Now, can you hear me? Now, please. Okay. Yes. Okay, students. Triangles. What is the definition of triangle? Can you hear me? Please tell me, students. Can you hear me? Please give response. Alka Srivastava, yes. Please tell me. Can you hear me? Students, today we will discuss about the triangle. Let's suppose that it is a plane and it will take 3 points A, B and C. A, B and C. Here are 3 points, point A, point B and point C. These points are not in a collinear points. It means the points are not in a line. These points are called, if A, B, C are 3 points and these points are non-collinear points, and if we join A to B, B to C and C to A, then we get a figure. And this figure is called a triangle. This enclosed figure is called triangle. Its shape is triangle. It means, what is the definition of triangle? It is a closed simple closed figure bounded by 3 line segments. How many line segments? 3 line segments. One line AB is one line segments, BC is second line segments and C is the third line segments. Okay, so these are plane figure bounded by 3 line segments. This figure is called triangles. Okay. Okay, triangle is a simple closed figure. Good. It is bounded by 3 line segments AB, BC and CA. Clear? Okay. Now how many angles are here? Angle A, it has 3 angles. Angle A, angle B and angle C. Angle A, angle B and angle C. and opposite vertex. The line segment BC and its opposite. What is the opposite vertex of opposite sides? AB, BC and CA are three sides. Angle A, angle B and angle C are the three angles. Vertex A, vertex B and vertex C. It means it has three vertex. It has three angles. Okay, good. It has three angles. And now it has three vertex. Congruent triangle. Congruent triangle. Congruent triangles. According states. Okay. Good. Very good. Alika Srivastava. Okay. Nice. Here, please look here. It is congruent triangles. I am going to explain what is the congruent triangle. Congruent. The word congruent. What is the meaning of the word congruent? The word congruent means equal. Congruent means equal, ends means sides are equal, angles are equal. It means equals. Two triangles are said to be congruent triangles. Two triangles are said to be congruent triangles if their corresponding sides or if their sides are correspondingly equal and angles are also correspondingly equal. Means if A, B, C, A, B and C, let A, B, C be one triangle and P, Q or B another triangle. P, Q or B another triangle. Okay. So if okay, very good. It has two triangles are same congruent triangle if they have exactly same and corresponding angles. Corresponding angle means magnitude of or measure of angle A must be equal to measure of angle B. Measure of angle B must be equal to measure of angle Q. And if the measure of angle C is equal to the measure of angle R, then you can say that these two triangles and its length of the corresponding sides of one triangle or length of the sides of one triangle is correspondingly equal to the length of side of the triangle. It means if AB, length of AB is 6 cm or 8 cm, it should be also equal to 8 cm. And if it is 8 cm, it will be 8 cm. Okay, good. So therefore these two triangles are congruent triangles. Very good. You have done. Now next, how many types of triangles? How many types of triangles according to its angle? How many types of triangle according to its sides? Just like according to sides, it is a triangle. Let's suppose that it's a B, C. All sides are equal. That means a triangle having all sides equal is called equilateral triangle. It is a equilateral triangle. Equilateral. It is a equilateral triangle. A triangle having equal. Triangle having two sides equal is called, what is the name of this triangle? Its two sides are equal. Then what will be name of this triangle? Its name is two sides is isosceles triangles. Triangles having two sides are equal is called isosceles triangle. And similarly, a triangle whose all sides having different length, if this A, B, C, if the AB length of AB is not equal to length of BC and length of BC is not equal to length of AC, means it is a triangle. A triangle having all sides are different length. Then what is the name of this triangle? Scalene triangle. Good. Its name is scalene triangle. So these are three types of triangles based on its side. Similarly, it has three triangles based on its angle. Just like this is a triangle whose measure of one angle is acute angle. That is, what is the name of this triangle whose measure of one angle is acute angle? Can you tell me? If its measure of one angle is acute angle, then what is the name of this triangle? Just like 60 degree, it is 60 degree and it is also 60 degree. So can you measure of one angle is more than what is the name of this triangle? Here it's angle is acute angle. Triangle is acute angle. Here what is the name of this triangle? Triangle whose measure of one angle is 90 degree. Then what is the name of this triangle? Its name is right angled triangle. And its name is, if one angle is more than 90 degree, it is obtuse. So what is the name of this triangle? Its name is obtuse angled triangles. So here are three types of triangle based on its side and three types of more triangles based on its angles. Means we have indeed 6 types of triangles. Clear students? Scalene triangle, isosceles triangle and equilateral triangles. There are 3 triangles and 3 triangles and right angle. These are our types of triangles. Okay, now it is clear. After that, it's very important property, angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property of a triangle. Can you tell me what is the angle sum property? Angle sum property of a triangle. What is the angle sum property of a triangle? What is the angle sum property of a triangle? Good. Thank you. Angle sum property of a triangle. Can you tell me angle sum property of triangle? Here, if A, B, C, here are 3. It is a triangle. How many angles are there? Here are 3 angles: angle A, angle B, and angle C. What is it? The angle sum property of a triangle. Can you tell me? So sum of plus measure of angle B plus measure of angle C must be equal to 180 degree. Have you got it? It means sum of all angles of the triangle is 100. This property is called angle sum property of a triangle. Here ABC is a triangle. It has three angles: angle A, angle B, and angle C. And its sum of angle A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. So this property is called angle sum property of a triangle. Sum of all angles of the triangle is 180 degree. Okay, have got it? Okay, now next we will solve problems of this exercise. Look here given question number second of exercise 16a. We will revise some problems of exercise number 16a again. So please look here. Here are given the measure of two angles of a triangle. It is a triangle. Let's suppose that A, B, C. Angles of two angles of a triangle are 72 degree. Let's suppose that is 72 degree and 58 degree. So find the measure of third angle. What is the measure of third angle? Okay, angle sum property as sum of all interior angles of triangle is 180 degree. Good. Now we will use this property. Here only given if the measure of inner triangle, measure of angle A is 72 degree, measure of angle B is 58 degree, then find the measure of angle C. What will be measure of angle C? By using the property angle sum property of the triangle, we can solve it. We will write here, let ABC, what will be solution? Let the triangle ABC be the triangle. Let the triangle ABC, angle A is equal to measure of angle A is 72 degree, measure of angle B is 58 degree. Then we have to find out measure of angle C. So please solve and write the answer. Just please solve and write the measure of angle C. What will be? We will A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. From where I have written? It is the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now putting the value, replace A by 72 degree plus replace B by 58 degree and replace. We need to find out the measure of angle C. We should write C1 and 180 degree. So please solve this question and write. Students, please solve. A is 72 degree, B is 58 degree, and plus C is equal to 180. Can you tell me what is the measure of angle C? Please solve and write the correct answer. Students, I am waiting for a response. Please solve it. And can you tell me what is the measure of angle C? Here we write 72 degree plus 58 degree. Firstly add it 5, 8 and 5. 72 degree and 58 degree. Please add it. 10, and here 8 and 5, 13. 130 degree. Means at this place we will write 130 degree plus angle C is equal to 100. Now transposing 120 to right hand side, we will get angle C is equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree. I will get okay. So can you find out if two angles, measures of two angles of a triangle or even, then you can solve easily the measure of angles. Alright. Students, any other question? Please solve next question. Can you solve? Look here. If angle A is 35 degree, angle B is 55 degree, of angle C. Can you solve? So please this question. Students, please solve. I am waiting for response. Are you about to solve or not? Here given measure of angle A is 35 degree, measure of angle B is 55 degree. Then calculate the measure of angle C. What will be the measure of angle C? You are able to solve, so please solve this question and give the correct answer. I am waiting for your response. So dear students, please solve this question. Please solve. Hurry up. Please solve. Alka Srivastava, are you able to solve this question? Here is a triangle, right? It is a triangle. A, B, C is a triangle. And okay, if angle A is 35 degree, angle B is 50. Okay, angle A is 35 degree, angle B is 55 degree. Then what is the measure of angle C? No, it is wrong. Here sum of all angles of a triangle. Here angle A plus angle B plus angle C. Here are three angles. 180 degree. Now put the value of angle A plus B 5 degree plus angle degree. Now solve. Please solve it. Look here. 5 and 5 10, 5 and 3 8 and 1 9 90 degree plus angle C. Now transposing angle in right hand side. So angle C is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. Therefore, what will be measure of angle C? Measure of angle C is 90 degree. Okay, have you got it? Students, look here. Measure of angle A is 5 degree and measure of angle B is 55 degree. Then find the measure of angles. Now can you solve other question? You are able to solve, so please solve. In a angles of triangle, the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 1:3:5. Find the measure of find the measure Please solve. Good. Now our answer is correct. Here the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 1:3:5. Means accurate measure of the angles are not given here. There only given the angles of a triangle are in the ratio. Ratio of the angles of a triangle is given. And what is the ratio of the angles of the triangle is? Its ratio is 1:3:5. Clear? Ratio of the angles of the triangle is given and its ratio is 1:3:5. Then we have to find the measure of each of the angles. What will be the measures of each of the angles? Please solve it. What is the solution? How many angles of a triangle are there? You know that there are 3 angles and its ratio 1:3:5. So let's suppose that the measure of angles of a triangle will be x, 3x and 5x. Let the measure of angles of the triangle be. Firstly, we have to suppose that let the measure of the triangle be x at the place of 1, 3x and 5x. Okay? Let the measures of the triangle be. Let the measures of the angles of the triangle. Measures of angles. Should write here measures of the angle. Angles. By using the property, angle sum property, can you solve it? Please solve it. If you are able to solve, how many angles? It is clear that angle measure of angle is C is or third angle. First angle is x degree, second angle is 3x degree, and third angle is 5x degree. Since we know that sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree, therefore according to property x degree plus 3x degree is one angle plus second angle and plus third angle. This means measure of one angle plus measure of degree. That means it is a 9x. 9x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore x is equal to 180 degree is divided by 9 and x is equal to or 20. Hence your answer is correct. Anjali Singh, thank you students, your answer is correct. Good. So x is equal to 20 degree. Therefore measures of angles are and the measures of angles are measures of angles of the triangle angles are 20 degree. Look here, question number 4. In this question it is given that one of the acute angle of a right angle. Question number 4. One of angle, acute angle of right triangle. One of the acute angles of a right triangle is 50 degree. Is 50 degree. Find the other acute angle. Find the other acute angle. Let's look here. One of the acute angles of a right angle triangle is 50 degree. Find the other acute angle. You have to find other acute angle. Can you tell me? If you are able to solve, so please solve it and give me. Friends, please solve. The given triangle is a right angle triangle. Since the given triangle is a right angle triangle, that means let us suppose that ABC be a right angle triangle. One angle is 90 degree, it is clear, and one of the acute angles. Here are rest angle A and angle C. Here are two angles. So these two angles are acute angles. It is given that one of the acute angles of a right angle triangle is 50 degree. Means if one acute angle A and C, here are two angles, angle A and angle C. So we have to find the other acute angle. For solving it, you can use the formula. Sum of acute angles in a right angle triangle is 90 degree. Clear? Sum of acute angles in a right angle triangle is 90 degree. So since angle A, sum of acute angles, acute angles means sum of the measures of acute angles. Means sum of acute angles is equal to 90 degree. Please solve it. Good morning, Sanjana Singh. Here, please solve this question. Are you able to solve? Here are to 50 degree, and let us suppose that it is a x degree. Sum of acute angles. How many acute angles are there in a right angle triangle? Here are two acute angles. One is angle A and other is angle C. Out of these acute angles, measure of one angle is given, means 50 degree. And we know that sum of acute angles in a right angle triangle is 90 degree. Now can you solve it? Please tell me. Please tell me what is the value of x. It is equation. Okay, very good. X is equal to measure of x is 90 degree minus 50 degree to 40 degree. Very simple. Good. Okay, Alka Srivastava, your answer is correct. Very good. Thank you. Your answer is correct. Since the acute sum of acute angles in a right angle triangle is 90 degree. Let us suppose that if we are given one of the acute angles of a right angle triangle is 45 degree. Okay? Look here. One of the acute tell me, find the other acute angle. Can you solve it? It's very simple. Sum of acute angles, it means is equal to 90 degree. Or late. So please solve students. Here acute angle, one of the acute angles of a right triangle is 45 degree. We know that in a right angle triangle, two acute angles are there, and one acute angle is 45 degree. Then can you tell me the measure? Please solve and write the answer. I am waiting for your response. Are you able to solve? Ahmad Khan also, good morning. Good morning, students. Please solve it. Good morning. X is equal to 54. Now, both acute angle must be equal to 90 degree. Dear, your answer is not correct. Look here, it is given that 45 degree. It is given if one acute angle, measure of one acute angle is 45 degree. So find the other acute angle. Alka Srivastava, dear, your answer is not correct. Look here, sum of two angles, one angle, let other angle be x. Let other acute angle be x. One angle is 45 degree, other acute angle is x. I have supposed, and its sum of acute angles in a right angle triangle is 90 degree. You should write here. You know that sum of acute angles in the right angle triangle, in the right angle triangle is 90 degree. Okay. Yes, now it is answer is your third answer. Now it is correct. Okay, 45 degree, x is equal to 90 degree minus 45. It is equal to 45. As the measure of other acute angle is 45 degree. Your answer now answer is 45 degree. Now Alka, your answer is correct. Good. You either you can solve that method or you use 90 degree. Okay. So one angle, measure of one acute angle is 45 degree plus measure of other acute angle x degree. Let's suppose that is equal to 90. Now it is correct. Okay. Thank you. Can you able to solve other question? Will be measure of other. Okay, please. One of the acute angles of a right angle triangle is 35 degree. So please find the other acute angle by using the property. We know that in a right angle triangle, sum of acute angles is 90 degree. By using that property, please solve it and write. Dear, please solve. Okay, I am waiting. No problem. By using, you should write in right angle triangle is in which angle? Right angle triangle is 190 degree. We will use this property. Show. Please solve. Okay. Okay, it is correct. Okay, it is correct. But other by using property I am telling one angle is 35 degree. We need to find the measure of other acute angle. Look here, sum of acute angle is 90 degree. There is no need to write by using angle sum property. You can solve it directly. Therefore, x is equal to 90 degree minus 35 degree. And then what will be its measure? 55 degree. So the measure of angle is 55 degree. Okay, now it is correct. Good. Thank you, students. Thank you for joining the online class. Thank you, students. Now our online class is over. Please, I would like to request you, please revise exercise number 10. Exercise. Please revise exercise 16A and 16B. Okay. Bye, students. Thank you, students. Thank you for joining the online class. Now our online class is over. Bye, students.